Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson. Now, in this video, I want to show you how you can buy the SRocket token. Okay. Now, if you don't know what is SRocket token is actually the token of stableFund. Okay, and stableFund is a platform that actually uses the AI bots to buy crypto. Okay, to trade crypto and pay its investors 1.5% every single day. Okay, so they actually have a token that is called SRocket. Now the SRocket token is actually doing well. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see the token here. Token is actually doing well, and you can see presently the token is about 89. Okay, one rocket coin equals to 89.90 US dollar. Okay, so you can see one stable, you can see the worth of what the SRocket coin is almost let's say it's over $89. Okay, so what you need to do is this: if you want to buy the coin, you can actually buy the coin somehow on the platform of stableFund. But a whole lot of people have been complaining that they try to buy the coin, to buy SRocket on the platform of stableFund, but they don't really get the value. Okay, so I guess the exchange provider, which is Router, is actually having some issues. So for that reason, personally, I advise people not to buy on the platform. You can either buy it from any other third-party website. Okay, but in this case, I want to show you how you can buy SRockets, okay, on MetaMask. Okay, so instead of going this route, all you just need to do is to go to your MetaMask. Okay, you on your desktop, you can just click on MetaMask. Okay, and what you need to do is this: you should have Matic. Okay, you know Matic is on the Polygon network, and SRocket is also on the Polygon network. Okay, so as you can see here, Matic, I have 8.7663 Matic here, and I also have the SRocket token sign here. You can see I've imported it here. Now, if you don't know how to import your SRocket to MetaMask, all you need to do is this: you go to either CoinGecko. Okay, either you do it on CoinGecko or you do it on CoinMarketCap. Okay, but for the sake of this particular video, what I'll be doing is this: I'll be doing it on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so you just come up here. You come up here, you type in on this search stuff here, button here, you come in and you type SRocket. You type SRocket. Okay, so after you type SRocket, you're going to click on search. Okay, you're going to click on search. Then when you search, this is the stable one rocket. Okay, this is the coin. Okay, then you click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you here where you now have stable one rocket. Okay, the coin is called stable one rocket. That is why you see SRocket here. Okay, that is stable one rocket. Okay, so in short, we just call it SRocket. Okay, so you're going to see it here. Then you scroll down a bit and you're going to see this contract address here, right? You see this contract address, then you copy this contract address. When you copy this contract address, you go to your MetaMask. Make sure that you're actually on the Polygon network, because when you click up here, you see when you click up here, you see we have different kind of network here. Right, you can see the Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain here. Okay, so make sure that you are on Polygon here, right? Then after, you must have copied the contract address from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. They actually have it on CoinGecko too. So when you copy the contract address, you come to MetaMask here. Okay, then you scroll down. Okay, and then you click on this import token. When you click on this import token, I click on import token. That contract you copied from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you're going to paste it here where you say token contract address. Okay, then you're going to paste it here. Now when you paste it here, then you just come down because you can see token has already been added. Okay, that is because I actually have it already. Okay, that is because I have it here already. Okay, this is it, because I have it already. But if you don't have it here, if you've not added it before, all you just need to do is just to paste the token. You're going to paste it here like this. Okay, and it's going to show you the SRocket token and everything, and you're just going to click on add. Then when you click on add, automatically you're going to have your SRocket here. Okay, now when you have your SRocket here, what we want to do now is this: we want to buy remember the purpose of this video is for us to buy SRocket token. Okay, so now because we have Matic already here, we're going to be converting this Matic. We're going to be converting this Matic to SRocket. Then we're going to hold our SRocket on Metamask. Okay, so you're going to come up here and you're going to click on swap. When you click on swap, it's going to show you this interface, okay, where you'll be able to swap. Then you come down here, then you're going to click on SRocket. Okay, so when you have it this way, automatically it means that you are trying to swap from Matic. You know, remember up here is Matic here. You're trying to swap from Matic to SRocket. Okay, so you can see I have 8.7663 Matic here. So I'm just going to use let me see, I'm going to use 5 Matic. Okay, just for the purpose of this video, let's say I'm going to use 5 Matic. So I'm going to click 5 Matic, which is equivalent to about $4.33, right? So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on swap here. You can see review swap. Okay, you're going to click on it this way, right? So you're going to show you for the 5 Matic I'll be converting. I'll be getting 0.047684609 SRocket coin. You understand? So this is what I'll be getting, and this is just the gas fee. The gas fee is 0.1 cents. Okay, 0.1 cents. Okay, let's say 1 cent. Okay, I'm going to click on swap here. Okay, when you click on swap, it's going to tell you. Okay, so it's going to load. It's going to try to process the swap. So you're going to give it time to actually swap. I guess the network is a bit down, but we're going to wait for it. Okay, so you can see it has been confirmed. You can see transaction confirmed. When you look down here, you see transaction confirmed. Okay, so it's a transaction complete. So I'm going to close here now, right? So you're going to see that I will have SRocket here now. Okay, so let's hold on, let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see now I have SRocket here. So you see, I have 0.04768 SRockets here. So by doing this now, I can hold my SRocket on MetaMask, and I keep getting reward for it twice a month. I think on the 11th and on the 25th. Okay, the transaction fee. Okay, that's the charge on stableFund. That the charge on stableFund is actually shared amongst the holders of SRocket. Okay, so by holding it even on MetaMask, you're going to be getting that share of the transaction fee that they charge on stableFund. Okay, so this is how you can easily buy stableFund SRocket coin on MetaMask. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video. Now, if you got value from this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.